Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I just want to share with you that I am going to be coming up with an idea for this dollhouse that you see back here. I'm going to redo it completely. That's going to be my project throughout the summer, and many of you already know that my channel used to be called Miniatures, Cooking and More, and then I changed it to Miniature Dollhouse Creations and More, but that was too long. So I figured, you know what? I need a short name. I need a shorter name. So now I made it read Miniature Empire. That's, because I have so many miniatures, so I feel like I have a little empire of miniatures. So that's how I came up with that. And I also wanted to thank you for subscribing, for commenting, for liking, for all your support. I really appreciate it. Little by little, I've seen those numbers go up, and I'm so happy when I see them. So little by little, you know what I'm saying? This is a hobby anyway. So I hope that you have been enjoying the latest videos. And again, I'm going to back up here. This is the house that I'm gonna make a project out of next. But before I'll give you a tour for the very last time. But it has a lot of rooms, look at that, plus the attic. So this needs a makeover. So that's gonna be my job. So yes, so I hope that you stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching.